All right, a quick video in order to show you how to do the levitation. So the first thing is, you guys, you have to have the right photos. So definitely take a picture of the background. If you have something floating, you need to hold it in the front, and then you can see in this one, holding it in the back. Let me delete all this so that I can show you holding it in the back. Okay, so front and back. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your 2 or 3 images, however many you have, and you're going to copy and paste them on top of one another. So I'm going to take this one, Command A, Command C to copy, and then Command V to paste. Over on the top of my layers palette, I change the opacity, and that helps me line it up as best as I can. You can use the arrow keys to go a little bit slower to line it up. If you need to rotate, pull your cursor to the side. If you need to make it a little bit bigger, you can pull from the outside edge, just like that. So once you have it pretty much lined up, you're going to bring the opacity back up. You can kind of see where I moved it. That can easily be cropped out later on. So I'm going to add a layer mask. That is your rectangle with a circle at the bottom. I'm going to make sure I have black to white on my foreground background tool, and I'm going to grab my brush. And look, I'm going to get rid of my hand. Now, once you get rid of your hand or whatever was holding it, you can then flatten it in order to edit. Zoom in, you can see where I have a little bit not lined up there. So I'm gonna swap black with white in order to bring back the layer mask, and then black to white in order to bring the layer mask in. All right, so you can mess around with that. Then once you're finished with your layer mask and you think that you're ready and it looks like it's floating, I mean, I had a third one to copy and paste, but just to do this really quick, I'm going to go Command Shift E, and then I'll go into my levels, and then I'll start doing my levels, or if I have any like burning and dodging and whatever, I'll probably like burn that background in. But that's it. So the key is though to have the amount of pictures that you need with that background. It is much easier than just using a spot healing tool, which if you need to spot heal, you can, but it will be a lot easier to edit your image if you have your photos already taken properly, which means that you need to have a background so that when you do your layer mask, you can reveal the picture. That's it.